Hi, it's Barbara and Sophia, and today we're going to learn about acids and bases.
Acids and bases are measured with a pH scale.
The pH scale is measured from 0 to 14. 0 is acids, 7 is completely neutral, and 14 is bases. So let's name acids and bases.
Acids. Rules for acids. Always starts with H. If it ends in IDE, it will start with hydro, then the name of the element or cyanide, and will end in -ic. And always add the word acid.
If it ends with ITE, you write the name of the element or a polyatomic ion and ends with O's. And remember to add the word acid.
If it ends in ATE, you will write the name of the element or a polyatomic ion and will end in -ic, and remember to put the word acid. Now let's do some examples.
The first example will be HClO. ClO stands for hypochlorite. So you check on the rules for acids and it ends in ITE. So it will be the name of the polyatomic ion with an O at the end. So that will be hypochlorous acid.
The second example is oxalic acid. We know oxalic ends with -ic, so we check in the rules, and what ends in -ic, it's originally ended in ATE, so it's oxalate. The polyatomic ion oxalate, it's a formula of C2O4, -2. So we remember that all the acids start with H. So we cross the -2 and will give us H2C2O4. Bases.
All bases end in OH, and also they're solved like ionic compounds. The first example is BOH. Since OH has a charge of -1 and you solve it like an ionic compound, you're supposed to cross them out. And since vanadium is a transition metal, you write vanadium 1 hydroxide.
The second example is MgOH2. If you check in the periodic table, Mg is magnesium, which has a charge of +2. So you cross them out and that will give you magnesium 2 hydroxide.
The third example is CuOH3. If you check in the periodic table, Cu is copper, which is a transition metal. So you cross them out and it will be copper 3 hydroxide. All bases are solved like ionic compounds. So if you have to change the name to a formula, you already know how to do it. I hope you're ready to solve some acids and bases. Thank you for watching!